All right, so number 3, we also want to solve by substitution. Okay, so this one does not have x or y by itself already, but I do have variable x in the first equation that does not have a coefficient. So this is the one I want to solve for and then use substitution from there. So I'm going to start out with that equation. So I have x plus 7 equals 18, x plus 7y equals 18. All right, so I'm going to subtract 7y from both sides. 7y. Make sure that looks like a y. That's going to leave me with x equals negative 7y plus 18. All right, so now that I have solved this for x, I'm going to substitute all of this for x in the second equation. So my second equation is 2x plus 6y equals 12. So I'm going to write down my 2 in the place of x. I'm going to put in parentheses negative 7y. I'm going to close that. Negative 7y plus 18, and then close it. And then finish the rest of the equation. So plus 6y equals 12. All right, and then we're going to solve it from there. So I'm going to distribute the 2. 2 times negative 7 will give me a negative 14y. 2 times 18 will give me a positive 36 plus 6y equals 12. All right, so we're going to combine like terms here. So you subtract, and that's going to give us a negative 8y plus 36 equals 12. We're going to subtract 36 to get y by itself. And it's going to give me a negative 8y equals negative 24. And then we're going to divide by negative 8. And then I get y equals positive 3. All right, so now that I found my y value, I'm going to go back and plug it in to either one of these. You can do your original equations. I'll probably just, this is the same, all I did was manipulate it, so I'm going to plug it in here. So I'm going to plug in y equals 3 right here. So I have x equals negative 7 times 3 plus 18. X equals, cut that out, negative 21 plus 18, and then x equals negative 3. Okay, so now that I have my ordered pair, I have x is negative 3, y is positive 3. This is what I believe my solution to be. I'm going to check it. So I just used this equation. Now I'm going to use the other equation. I'm going to plug in negative 3 for x, positive 3 for y, see if I get 12. So I got 2 times negative 3 plus 6 times positive 3. Does that equal 12? This gives me a negative 6 plus 18 equals 12. Combine like terms, I get positive 12 is equal to 12. Okay, so since it works there, I know it works here. Then negative 3 is going to be my solution. Okay, so they don't like one of my responses. Oh, I didn't put the open parentheses at the beginning. Parentheses, negative 3, 3. Okay, let's check that. So be careful with the notation.